Welcome back to No Cool Things. Here we are in our backyard doing some arts and crafts. And here you can look, this is an old egg thing. And we're recycling it to put paint inside it. And we're going to do a few arts and crafts with my best friend right here, Sarah. And
we're making a picture frame, a chest, and the unicorns.
So let's get started.
And
Here are all our supplies and wait, I haven't opened this. Okay, I'm gonna do the opposite side. Okay, here we are back. We are still painting our frames. Well, I'm painting my frame still because I want to give it nice coats. And Sarah is decorating right here. And I am trying to make a purple, but the purple that I wanted, it still has not come out. So I've been trying to make it a little lighter. So here it is when I'm going. Sarah's just decorating with some pebbles and all that stuff. Now we're done with our paintings and all this stuff. And here are our results, starting with Sarah's unicorn. She was doing a sunset theme. This is Sarah's little picture frame, and it came out really cute. And Sarah's treasure box right here that you can see. And here, here are my things. Here is my picture frame.
Gabby ruined the picture, basically.
Yeah.
And she has the same unicorn.
Yeah, because I gave you the idea. And we have a little treasure box, like Sarah's, but Sarah says
You can open it,
and there's going to be a few things in there.
Wait, Gabby, you stole my stuff.
Ah!